Hello everyone and welcome in today's video where I'll be teaching you about inheritance in C++. Not only we're going to learn about inheritance, but we're going to learn about what is a derived and base class in C++. So if you're wondering what is inheritance, maybe in your life you have heard about what is inheritance. Inheritance basically means, for example, if you inherit something like attitude or facial expressions from your parents, that means you inherit that expression or attitude from your dad or your mom. And if you're doing something similar to them, you basically inherited that from them. So let's see how that works in C++. So first of all, as you see, I have two headers and I imported all the header files like that. So perfect. Now let's go. So for example, this is our parent class and this is our children class. So here what we're going to do is we're going to call the constructor, so lemma, and we're going to make a function called print series. We're going to say that we are making a C++ series. So if we go to the header file here, what we will do is just make a constructor of TechLab. Oh, so perfect. And let's say when we actually go to, first of all, let's go to agnema.c++. What are we going to do is simply call the instructor, but we don't want to put anything there. And okay, I'm very wrong with spelling. And below what we are going to do in the print series is we're going to write, okay, we are doing a CPP series inline. Perfect. And if we go to techlab.cpp, what we need to do is only initialize the constructor. Perfect. So now if we actually go to our program.cpp or our main file, what we can do now is simply say techlab do dot say name. No, it was say series or print series. Print series. So now we have this error. You're thinking, oh, why do we have an error? As you remember at the start of this video, I told you, in this video we're going to learn about inheritance and derived and base classes. So what are actually derived and base classes? For example, if you go to techlab.h, what we can do, we're just going to write Ognema. Yeah, perfect. That's before. And yeah, we won't have any errors. So what this basically means, all the public stuff in Ognema will be public in TechLab because this is our derived class and this is our base class. So we are inheriting all the info in the public initializer that we get from Ognema, and with the power of inheritance, when we go back to our main program, what we can do is we can use it. So why do I have this error? Oh yeah, we need to tell it we want to use the everything that's in the public access modifier. So now when we go back here, you see we have no problem. Even when we run the code, we are doing a C++ series. So TechLab inherit from Ognema that we are doing a C++ series simply by following this step. So I'll walk you guys through again because this might sound confusing because inheritance is not a beginner topic. As we're going further on in this tutorial, we're going to learn a bit advanced topics in C++. So let's go to Ognema, our parent class, and in this header we made two functions. Actually one function, and we made a constructor. And this function simply prints out we are doing a CPP series. When we go to the header file of TechLab, you see after our class TechLab, we put public Ognema. What does this mean? This means that the derived class is inheriting from our base class, and all the public stuff in Ognema will be public in TechLab. So that's why when we go to our main file, we see that when we make a constructor, not a constructor, an object to TechLab, with that object we can print out stuff from the Ognema class because we inherit that in our TechLab class. So we inherit everything from Ognema, our base class, into TechLab, our derived class. So that's all for this tutorial, I would say, and stick on to the next videos. See you.